before we dig into that data, I am an AI analyst, not a financial advisor.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today Stefan is speaking because it's end of the month and we have to check the performance of Sophie. If you are wondering about my bad English and my strange accent, I'm a mechanical engineer from Germany, so my accent is German and I like numbers more than talking. That's why maybe my English is not the best, but I hope you can live with that. I will not waste your time. We are just jumping straight onto the charts. But first we have a look on our table here. You can see all the stocks we have bought together with Sophie. And you can see on the left side Oracle and PayPal with a red color. This means I have sold them already, or better said, in the theory, because I do not trade this one-to-one. I'm just using the AI account to double check my ideas, and then I decide a little bit differently than Sophie. But on the channel, we are following Sophie to see how correct AI can be on the stock market. As I said, Oracle and PayPal are sold. We will see the numbers in a second. You can also see Netflix hit the invalid level, so we are on the stop loss of Sophie. This position we are not closing yet. Also Sophie said we will hold it. Alright, enough talking. Let's jump to the charts. Let's start with Novo Nordisk. This is a stock I'm personally trading and I was double checking with Sophie what she thinks. We saw this entry box here, we hit it exactly, this was pretty good. Me personally, I also bought it in this box and we had a nice breakout. And then we stopped at $64, this is $1 before the sell zone. I think then Mr. Trump released some new news and we went down again. We are still quite in a positive position. Everything is fine. Me personally, I already sold a part of my position to take some winnings. But all in all, everything is fine. Well done, Sophie. Nice hit. Everything good. Next is Netflix. As you already saw on the table file, here we are below our stop loss. I'm still holding it. As I said, I still have, let's say, hope, or I think Netflix will come back soon. In 2026, many people, also especially Elliott Wave analysts, say we will see a crash. So let's see how far we go down. I personally keep a lot of cash left to get some nice entry zones in 2026, but the market is especially risky at the moment and very hard to time, especially with Mr. Trump. Every tweet can change the market in a second and we all know what is going on now with Iran. Let's wrap up Netflix. As I said, we are below the stop loss, but we will keep the position and let's see how it goes. Maybe I'm wrong, then Sophie was right, but I insist to hold this position. Let's jump to Oracle. As I said, we are below the zone, so we sold it. Me personally, Oracle, I didn't buy it. I do not trust it yet, to be honest. So yeah, we will see where we go. We are below the 200-day line. I think we will go a bit lower even further. I will update the analysis of Sophie and then we see when we jump back in or if we skip this title. Next one, Ferrari. I like the cars very much. I don't like the chart yet. We are still in the buy zone. We bought Ferrari. We are minus, I would say. Yeah, we are somewhere negative. Still not the stop loss, so we will keep the position. Our goal is up here. I'm not a fan yet of this trade because the European Union, I will skip my personal opinion to be honest, but they are doing everything that this brand will have very hard times. So yeah, I'm not sure how this goes, but we will see if Sophie is right or wrong. PayPal next, as you can see here, very hard way down. So we sold it, stop loss. I have a PayPal position, to be honest. I'm also in the red numbers. I bought it a little bit lower than Sophie. I think the turnaround is possible, but I'm also thinking we will see more lows in the future. 4 days left, then we see the next earning report, and then I will see if I buy even more PayPal or if I just hold my position and keep it for the long run. Oil is next. Occidental Petroleum, nice hit. Perfectly matched, I would say. Thanks to Mr. Trump, the prices goes up and our target zone comes closer. Yeah, let's see about that. I did this trade too because I like it, to be honest. I don't like why the price goes up. We all know Iran, as we say in German. Let's see what happens there next, but I think this is the main reason why the price goes up. Still, oil for me is very interesting. If it comes back down, I will buy another portion. But at the moment, nice hit. We are on the way up. Let's see what the future brings. I think the next weeks will be very interesting. Maybe even the next days. Fiserv next. We have hit the buy zone. As you can see, we are still moving somewhere in those levels. Personally, I don't have this one. We will keep it at the moment. I am thinking to buy it maybe in the future. But I want to see the earnings first. It's earnings season, 11 days left. Let's see what happens. If they break out to the top and we see some nice turnaround. Maybe it's interesting. Let's see. Next, CoreWeave. Nice hit. Actually, a working colleague told me this and said, have a look on CoreWeave. And yeah, Sophie, correct analysis, perfect hit. Very high target zone. I personally missed this trade. Still, I like the company. And if they come back down, I will also buy some of those shares. But at the moment, it's too expensive for me. If they come back below 75 in the 70 region, I will also buy some. But at the moment, all good. Today, minus 6%. 19 days until the earnings. Maybe in the earnings I can also buy some stuff. Nike, I like the clothes, to be honest. I'm a fan of this company. I have bought them a bit lower than Sophie. I also believe in this company that they can do the turnaround. Let's hope the best. At the moment, not much moving. We bought them here, all good. Target zone is up there. Let's see if they can do it. I bought a small position, to be honest, so let's see what's coming next. Nvidia, very nice company. I had this one years ago already. During Corona, I made some nice money. Here we hit the new buy zone. The first buy zone we missed. The second one hit. We are moving up. This is also good. Sell zone is here. Let's see if we can reach it. Personally, I have a small position of Nvidia also in my portfolio. Yeah, I'm still waiting for 2026 for the big crash, which everyone is talking about. If this will come, I will load the boat with Nvidia, but at the moment, I keep the position small. Next stock I didn't have on my radar, let's say, but Sophie did. GameStop, nice hit, all good. Hit, up. Let's see where we end up with this stock. Earnings were done, 60 days, long time. Let's see how they do in these 60 days. Target is up here. At the moment, everything looks fine. We made some nice profit. Today I can see 3.5% more or less plus. This is good. I like it. Let's hope we can make some money here. Me personally, I also bought them. Microsoft, heavyweight. I also like this stock. I had this in the earlier days already. We bought it. It hit the zone because after the earnings, the stock went down quite fast, quite heavy. I also bought a small position. I took the chance to buy very small position, to be honest. We see already some green candles, which is nice. We are on a good way. Let's see if they can hold it up. I mean, 2026, I said it already many times. Many people are speculating on a crash. That's why I keep my position very small, but at the moment, everything good, everything green. Last but not least, Super Microcomputer. Yeah, interesting stock. Personally, I'm not convinced yet. Sophie said buy. Okay, we bought it. The zone was hit, all good. Today, minus 2%, so we are in the red numbers. Yeah, let's see if they can move up here. 4 days until the earnings. For me, this is the biggest gamble, let's say, because in 4 days, if the earnings are not good, we will see a massive way down. If they meet the expectations, we could see some green, so I think we will see some nice volatility. Let's see about that. Me personally, I pick up a very small portion. Yeah, let's risk the gamble and see in 4 days where we end up. All right, let's jump back to the sheet. Here we can see all of our stocks, and I will show you the total performance. We can see here Novo Nordisk perfectly fine, Netflix, yeah, not so nice, but I'm still thinking we will see some better numbers soon. Oracle is out. Ferrari also not nice. I'm not convinced yet. PayPal, yeah, we are out. We made some loss. Occidental Petroleum, nice, 9% plus, very good. Fiserv, still in the minus. Let's see about the future. CoreWeave, perfect hit. All good. Nike, I trust Nike. I believe in Nike. We are still minus 4%, but yeah. The channel is not very old yet, so as you know, stock market, you need to be patient, and this takes some time to see some green numbers here, I think. Nvidia, all good, 3.6%, nice. GameStop, 10%, nearly 11, also nice. Microsoft, yeah, more or less 0. It's pretty new. Supermicro, minus 4.5. Okay, let's see what the future brings. In 4 days, we will know more. On the cash side, we have sold 2 stocks, so we have lost $362. 3.25% total performance of the rest of the portfolio. So we earned $736 in theory. If we combine it with our actual losses, we are $374 in the positive area. This is already the end of the video. Let me know if you see any potential to improve the channel, to improve the videos, to improve those tables which you see here. If you want to see some other numbers, let me know which stocks you want to have analyzed next. And I can only say, stay healthy and all the best to you, and hear you next time. Bye bye.